guys, this is Jessica, your Tech Talk girl, and welcome to my YouTube video. I will be making videos regarding tech, like tech reviews, gaming, and unboxing. Today, let's talk about the very first item that I purchased para magamit sa aking YouTube video, which is the ring light. I bought this ring light sa Shopee for only 600 pesos kasi may voucher akong ginamit. But the original price is 650 pesos plus shipping fee. I'll put the link in the description below kung saan nabibili yung ring light. Now, let's start unboxing. Inside the box, you'll see 3 items. First is the cell phone holder. Next is the ball head adapter. Lastly, the 26cm ring light. Next box is the tripod stand. Ang height nito is 2.1 meters or 6 feet and 10 inches. Rotate counterclockwise if you want to unlock, then clockwise naman to lock. Very easy lang to install the cell phone holder sa ring light. As you can see, the cell phone holder has its own lock para maging stable siya when shooting a video. Next, install the ball head adapter at the bottom of the ring light. Dito natin i-connect yung tripod stand. Unfortunately, walang adapter na kasama. Pero good thing is, USB Type-A naman siya. So I'm sure may mga USB Type-A adapter naman kayo dyan sa house nyo na pwede nyong gamitin. Now, let's talk about the light. Meron itong 4 buttons or settings. The bottom part is the on-off button. The top and the third button is the brightness level. Take note it has 11 brightness levels to choose from. Ang galing! The second button is for the color. It has 3 colors to choose from: white, yellow, and the combination of white and yellow. I'll show you the difference if you are using the normal room light and if you are using a ring light while making videos. To sum it up, for me, okay siya to those who want to try making videos. Kasi mura lang siya. Kesa mag-invest ka ng mamahalin pero hindi mo na pala gusto. Ang negative naman sa kanya is yung sa ball head adapter. Ito yun. Dahil medyo may weight yung cellphone, so nababagsak siya. Kahit na masikip na yung sa part na to, hindi pa rin niya kaya. So, tinanggal ko na lang siya. Another negative is yung sa may cellphone holder. Medyo masikip siya, so kailangan main force ka talaga. Pagkatanggalin mo at ibabalik mo yung cellphone. So, para sa akin, yun lang yung 2 things na negative sa ring light na to. So, overall, for me, itong ring light ay thumbs up. Hope you guys learned something from my YouTube video. This is Jessica, your Tech Talk girl, and see you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe! Bye guys!